Okay, this is the right side and this is the right side. And we have the same number of stitches here. I will grab my tapestry needle. Okay, here I'm gonna attach these two parts, the shoulder parts together. Easily you can bind up everything and just then sew back and attach these parts. I'm gonna show you one method that doesn't show any sewing line here. This is called the Kitchener method. I have two sides live stitches, uh, needles pointing to the right side both, and front side here. I'm gonna grab one of the yarns and then pull it through the needle. I'm gonna zoom here. Okay. I will go to the first stitch from the bottom section, bottom needle, purlwise, and pull it through. Just make it closer to each other. And then from the top needle, I'm gonna insert into the first two stitches. So one from bottom, two from up at the beginning. Everything is purlwise. Now you're gonna go back to the bottom needle. This time you're gonna insert your needle through the first stitch that you pulled out the yarn. This time knitwise to the same space that you had your yarn coming out for the first time. We did this way. This time I'm gonna insert this way, and also to the second stitch. The second stitch is purlwise, the first stitch is knitwise. And then you pull the yarn a little bit. Now you go back to the top section again, to the same stitch, again knitwise to the same stitch, and purlwise to the new stitch. And we're gonna repeat these knitwise to the first stitch, purlwise to the second stitch. This way and this way. And then you pull the yarn, and this is looking like the knit stitches. It doesn't show that you had those parts attached together. Keep the same pressure you had for top and down section. And this is very flat. I'm gonna have a little bit of steam iron there to see how does it look like, and then you can stitch back to those stitches around just to fix the yarn here. And this will be how we work the Kitchener stitch.